How to enable TPM 2.0 in Windows. So if you want to enable TPM 2.0 in Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with Update and Security. Under Update and Security, you need to go with the left side, go with Windows Security. And here on the left side, you need to go with Recovery and go with Restart Now. Here you will have the Advanced Startup. So under Advanced Startup, you need to go with Restart Now. And after restarting your PC, it will take you to a blue screen. So from the blue screen, you need to choose some options. You need to go with Troubleshoot. Under Troubleshoot, you need to go with the Advanced Options. And then you need to go with UEFI Firmware Settings. After clicking on it, you need to go ahead and restart. And after restarting, your problem might be fixed. These settings are sometimes contained in a submenu in the UEFI BIOS labeled Advanced. So if you have the Advanced section, you can go with the Advanced, and then you can go with Security or Trusted Computing. The option to enable the TPM may be labeled Security Device or Security Device Support or TPM State, AMD fTPM Switch, or AMD PSP fTPM, or Intel PPT or Intel Platform Trust Technology. If you are unsure how to make any needed changes to the TPM settings, we recommend that you check your PC manufacturer support information or contact their support organization. So that's how you can enable your TPM, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.